Hey, today I have a message called You Already Have Everything. Your path and the paths of all can be slowly evolving and gentle. Think of this as being the case for you and all. Nothing harsh, nothing pushy, nothing overwhelming. Just quiet, yet obvious opportunities and steady healing succession. This is something very present, very supportive, very reliable, and always available. Think of yourself tuning into this and seeing it as available now for everyone you call else. Remember what everyone has in store for them. It's healing. It's corrective. It brings great joy. It brings accurate remembrance of the actual self. It brings accurate remembrance of that self through everyone and everything. Help. Help and great assistance is what everyone has in store for them. Because everyone is worthy, everyone has a beautiful softness in store for them, a powerful softness that conducts them in clear and direct ways. This is what is present. This is what is real. This is what is assured. As you find the great and deep place in which to rest, you can share the peace of this place with all. Just a pause to acknowledge the walking over my head here in my house, but I'll keep going. You see the peace of this place as the actual nature of all, of everything. Now you can see why rest is so important. You rest in this vast, spacious place you share to allow its light to correct everything you see and experience. Think of having total flexibility when it comes to correction. You have no idea what forms the forms will take, but you do know that all of them will reflect back accurately the beauty of this place you all share, the place where you all are. Bodies can be repositories for the illusions of pain and pleasure, or they can be simple conduits for communication. Think of the simplicity of the neutral body, a tool, an instrument. The body is a tool with a temporary use, and it never will be you. You are the one who has the power, with all, to allow the body, and all bodies perceived, to play their full part in the complete correction of your perception. When bodies are not viewed as getting mechanisms, it becomes clear how everything you believe you and others need is still provided. As those beliefs are no longer needed, they fade away. You don't need anything from a body, and you've already gotten everything you ever needed from a being. You share being with one another. In terms of being, you and all are completely fulfilled already. The bodies still seem to act out their drama, and you have the power to put sanity in charge of the drama. There is one purpose of the drama. It is not here to get a separate you what ego says it needs. The purpose of the drama perceived and experienced now is to demonstrate to you and all your innocence, your holiness, and your worthiness. Your part is your willingness to see the truth of all beings shine forth. We support every effort you make to focus upon truth, and it is our joy to be united with you. Okay, thank you.